Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back. Hope you all are doing well. I came up with another interesting vlog. Today I am going to share with you the preparation of oil at home. This oil helps our hair to become stronger from its roots and prevents grey hair. For that, first I took one onion. Onion has sulfur containing compounds which makes us get tears when we cut them, and this sulfur regenerates our hair from the roots. It also works well to make thin hair as thick along with making hair look healthy. Now I am cutting the onion. I am also taking 10 garlic cloves. Here I am taking 10 because these are big ones. You can take 20 if the cloves are small in size. Garlic strengthens the hair. It also works well to stimulate the hair growth and for the issues of scalp infections. It can also reduce the hair fall. It greatly works for many hair problems due to the selenium compounds present in the garlic. Now I am going to finely chop these two in a chopper. Then I will take these into an iron pan. To prepare this oil, we should take a thick pan. Why? Because we need to cook these slowly. Otherwise, the ingredients will get burnt and oil will turn into black. Here I am taking the third ingredient, curry leaves. We add curry leaves as they give the required moisture to our hair. I am also adding 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. The proteins present in fenugreek seeds helps nourishing the hair follicles and it also promotes the hair growth. Now I am adding 1 cup of coconut oil. This coconut oil is very famous for hair as all of you already know it. This repairs the split ends of our hair, also makes the hair smooth and shiny. Next ingredient is mustard oil. Here I am adding half a cup of mustard oil. This ingredient prevents the breakage of hair and keeps the hair hydrated. And the last ingredient is kalonji oil, which is flaxseed oil. It reverses the hair damage. Now keeping it on the stove. This should be kept on high flame till the pan and oil gets heated. Then should be kept it on low flame for 20 to 25 minutes. Now it's done. Let it cool down. After it completely cools down, we need to filter the oil. Look guys, we get this much of quantity. All of us use this same oil at our home. This easily comes for a month. We have to apply this twice a week. Now I am transferring the oil into a glass jar. You can also add vitamin E capsule if you have. I am not having them with me, so I am not adding. This oil gave me a good result. Here I am preparing some activity for my elder son. Actually, every kid is different in their abilities. We have to put our focus on understanding their abilities and interests. like in which section they are willing to show their interest. We sometimes unintentionally discourage their interest due to many reasons, such as it's not their age to learn those things, or sometimes we may not be having time to support or encourage them in those lines where their actual interest and talent lies in. So let us consciously be considerate towards their interests. We never know what wonders they do in the future with our little support. My son has so much of interest towards painting and drawing. It initially started with me giving him few printouts for coloring. Gradually he started loving that, and also it extended his interest to try drawing on his own. He tried on his own at the beginning looking at few pictures and sometimes from TV. But he did not get that, so I started drawing for him and used it to give him for coloring. Later slowly he started learning to draw. Now it is his most favorite activity, and I feel happy when I see him doing his favorite activity, as he will be feeling very happy for what he is doing. This is an energy bite and it is made of dry fruits. It will give us energy and boost our stamina and strengthens our bones. I will be sharing its recipe in detail in my upcoming videos. My elder son likes to eat it, but it becomes difficult when it comes to feed my younger son. They don't usually like to take and eat these on their own. So I give them when they are busy or engaged in doing something. But when it comes to snack, they take and eat. That's why I always keep few snacks handy for them to take whenever they want. That's all for today's video. I hope you liked it. We will see with another vlog. Until then, take care. Bye. Allah Hafiz.